Shrimp tostones. How delicious does that sound? So we've got some delicious tostones that you can either fry or bake. And by the way, you can find them in a freezer section or make them fresh. Really up to you. I'm going to show you the shrimp part because that's really my favorite part, is always the toppings. So let me heat up. A little olive oil is in here already. I've cut some shrimp lengthwise so that they're a little thinner and they sit really nicely on the tostones. Let's go ahead and put the tostones already on the plate. So let's go ahead and put the shrimp into the pan already, and they are going to cook up really quickly. This whole thing will be very fast. So what I have here is a little bit of minced garlic, a little fine thin strips or julienne of fresh chili. You can use serrano or jalapeno. What's great about this is I took the seeds out, so it's not as spicy. Shallots, which is a cousin of the onion. And let's go ahead and cook that together. While it's cooking, I'll season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm just going to add a little lime zest. And then we're going to finish this with a little bit of butter and the juice of half a lime. So I'm going to just put in 1 tablespoon of butter. Squeeze a half a lime in there. And then to finish it off, I'm going to cut a little bit of cilantro leaves. Like so. Go ahead and throw these in there. Shut off your heat. Let's mix all this together. Smells so good. So rather than using these things, I think I'm going to use a spoon. Make sure you get a little bit of everything, the onion or shallot, the chili, the shrimp. And the reason why I cut the shrimp lengthwise like that was that so that it sits more delicately on the tostón. I wish you all were here. This smells so delightful. Get all that goodness right over the top. Beautiful. And there you have it, my recipe for shrimp tostones.